Everyone, here I am going to talk about Martin Luther King Jr., his life and his important works. Life and career. He was born in January 15, 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. His parents were Christians. He was an American Baptist minister. He was a civil rights activist during 1950s and 1960s. Civil rights movement was successful in achieving voting rights for black people. This movement also helped in outlining discrimination in the fields of education, public transportation, military, and work. He went to Booker T. Washington High School. He attended Morehouse College at the age of 15 and graduated in 1948. He got married to Coretta Scott in 1953. He received his doctorate in theology in 1955. He wanted to end racial discrimination in America. He believed in achieving his political goals without violence. He wanted to establish peace and unity and harmony between black people and white people in America. Martin Luther King Jr.'s Day is celebrated in America on the third Monday of January. People don't go to work on this day and they even march on the streets to honor him. Martin King Luther even visited India because he was very much influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's views on nonviolence. He became a part of Southern Christian Leadership Conference to achieve full equality for African Americans. He was assassinated in 1968 when he was shot dead by a crazy man. He was giving a speech at the time. He was just 39 years old when he died. He spent his entire life to bring about a social change in America where all Americans, including blacks, should be treated as equals. Segregation. Before 1955, there was segregation between blacks and whites in America. There were separate areas for both the races in schools, restrooms, water fountains, restaurants, buses, and trains. In 1955, when a black woman, Rosa Parks, refused to vacate her seat for white people, then she was arrested by police and fined for $10. Her arrest sparked a protest among black people against segregation. Civil rights activists, with Martin Luther as their leader, decided to boycott the buses for a day as a mark of their protest against racial discrimination. Around 90% of black people did not ride the buses that day. Martin Luther King Jr. was arrested and spent around 2 weeks in jail. Martin Luther still preached about nonviolence in their struggle against racial discrimination. Martin Luther's house was bombed by white people who were unhappy with this boycott. But Martin Luther kept on advocating for nonviolence and said that we must love our white brothers no matter what they do to us. After this protest at Montgomery in 1956, black people were allowed to sit anywhere in the buses. Nobel Prize winner. Martin Luther King Jr. was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. He was the youngest man to receive this prestigious award at the age of 35. This prize was awarded to him for leading a non-violent resistance to end racial prejudice in America. The list of his famous works. First is Stride Toward Freedom. This book that describes the historic account of 1955-1956 Montgomery bus boycott. Strength to Love is a collection of his sermons on the topic of racial segregation in the United States. Why Can't We Wait? The book about non-violent movement against the racial segregation in the United States. Where Do We Go From Here? Chaos or Community, a book advocating for human rights and a sense of hope. The Triumph of Conscience, a book having the lectures by the author in late 1967. I Have a Dream, his famous speech delivered in August 28, 1963 at the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom at the Lincoln Memorial. And here this PPT ends. Please subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you.